Yeah, this is Musa Al-Qadiri. I'd like to share about the experience with my car, Dodge Grand Caravan 2012, 3.6 cylinder, and I get the overheat the coolant spill out on the ground when I drove to the highway. Then I check it out. I'm searching because you have to search from each hose. I just changed this for the thermostat. Thermostat is good. The water pump is good, and then this is the fan. The radiator fan is really good, running good. I inspect, and then finally the connection hose. The connection hose is broke off. The connection hose is located over here. This one. This is a new one. I'm gonna put it on. This is the new one. I'm gonna put this one. You take this one off. Take this located. Take this one off, and then take this one off. This over here. Because you have a room, so you get room. Take this one off, and then took that one. This is the clamp. They have clamp. This is the clamp. This is the clamp. After you put it on, I believe that this is the clamp for two. One on the top, one on the bottom for the part, and then you just replace the part over here. I took this one off so easy to put it on. The part is over here. Yep. The part is over here. That one. This one. This hose, and another part is over here. The middle. That one, yeah. That one and this one. You have to search everyone hoses, because sometimes you have to fill up coolant first and then drive around, but then get heat, really overheat, and then you just go back to your house and then inspect which one is leaking. And then finally I found the connector part is broke off. This one. Okay, I hope can help you out to figure out the overheat your car. Please subscribe and have a good day. Thank you.